Hello, everyone. I'm developing some games and I needed an application to do this stuff. I don't know what this called, but if you're using Unity or old parser frameworks for developing games, I think this may be helpful for you. I don't want to talk too much, so let's go into it. This is a game, and here's in my script, I have this PNG. As you see, it's the assets for the game. It's a Tomba game. It's an old open source. You can pick here the PNG, and here we picking the JSON. It's they have the same name for this game, and as you see here, it's making everything clear for you so you can get the right widths and heights and the location of the spreadsheet, and you can edit it. For example, if you want to edit this, just click in here and edit frame, and you can change the name, the X and Y, the width and the height. And if we change the height, as you see here, we can make it 200. Oops. Oh, once again, 200. So let's save. It's as you see, it's changing the everything here, and you can copy the name. You can export just one frame or export all. You can search for frames, for example, like if we search for pole, you can see all the shapes of the pole as you see here with the frame name, of course. I developed this tool because I was developing my game for the App Store. It's a simple game. Wait, I won't show it for you. It's wait. Here, my humbled account for Google. This was something like Zumba game, as you see here, but with different character and so on. As you see here, I just have 10 download. Please download the game and leave good comments in this game. I also generated another version of this game called SpongeBob, but it's due to copyrights, Google deleted, and you can use it in other games. As you see here, developed some other games, and this tool was very helpful with me to develop this app. I searched on the internet and I didn't see something like that, so I developed my own version of this application. Um, one tool, I think you can use it also. Let's show it to you. I don't know what's my PC or Mac frozen. This shoebox, but didn't work very well to me because I need to com com convert PNG and JSON uh, as the app doing here. It's a beta version. I hope it's helpful for anyone, and you can use it as you want. And if you need the source code, just contact with me, and that's it. I don't want to talk too much. Thank you for watching the video. Please let me know what you think. Okay, bye.